Hi, I'm Don Cottam, and today I want to tell you about OneTouch and our integration with SignalWire. And so, first of all, OneTouch is a platform that you put in your conference rooms. It can run on a Windows 10 machine. So if you already have an existing room system of some kind with a PC or based on a PC, it can be converted to a OneTouch room. OneTouch gives you the ability to connect to all of the major platforms. It also has the ability to connect to H323 and SIP systems. You also have built-in streaming, built-in recording. You also have the ability to share content wirelessly, not only for devices up to the front of the room, but also within the video calls. It has full calendar integration. It also has the ability to automatically launch your scheduled events, and it doesn't matter if it's a Teams meeting or a Zoom meeting or whatever SignalWire meeting, it will automatically launch the calls on any platform. So let's get into the SignalWire integration with OneTouch. So first of all, you'll see on my screen behind me, this is what would be at the front of the conference room on your large display, maybe projection system, or even dual displays. And so you'll see the SignalWire button here at the top. I'm going to click that, and that's going to take me directly to my virtual conference room, which is our DC room, that is tied in with the physical room that we just connected from. So SignalWire is basically their virtual conference rooms, virtual offices. We have a virtual lobby. You can see here on the right, here are all my different conference rooms, and there's a help desk, there's my office. So we have all these different rooms, and so the great thing about SignalWire is you can forget about your meeting IDs and the passcodes and all of the stuff that comes along, kind of the painful things we now deal with video conferencing, and you can simply just join a meeting. Once you get into that session, you can simply just lock the door behind you.
This conference is now live.
Nobody else will get in. You can also see up here, I've got a preview of all the meetings. So I would be able to see anything going on in these other conference rooms as well. So I can see other people who are in my office or in my group that also might be attending sessions. So I'm going to go ahead and unlock that door.
This conference is now unlocked.
The other thing about SignalWire is a premium video conferencing. It is full duplex audio, no clipping of audio. It is also all the way up to full 1080p 30 conferencing. So let me go ahead, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and start up. Number one, I'm going to go to 1080p mode, and then I'm going to go and we're going to play a full motion 1080p video during our call. So this is why a lot of sports teams and other athletic programs are very interested. They can watch real footage. The other thing, this is great for events. So this can be used for live concerts, charity events, lots of other things like this. But at the end of the day, you can see beautiful, full motion, 1080p video inside our video call. So again, this may not replace your core video conferencing. This is something maybe that would face the outside, would be your C office or C-level people. It also is very interesting to set up virtual classrooms. We're actually working with fire departments where we set up virtual stations and virtual training rooms for the fire departments. So at the end of the day, as you can see again, beautiful full motion video. I'm going to go ahead and stop that. Now, another way that you can connect is once you're into one of the rooms, when I leave the room, here is my cloud virtual lobby. And again, our website, people can come into our lobby and they'll be met by a receptionist, and then they can be moved to a room to meet with me or some of our staff. Another way though you can join the calls is we can add URLs here, and I can go ahead and move us directly to the conference room, hit enter, and now we're going to go to our main conference room. And here we are in the main conference room, and by default it will come into the call at 7:20, and I have all of these different video layouts, so I can go in and change the layouts to move around people wherever I want to for the call as one of the administrators. So the other way to join calls, I'm going to go ahead and leave that call and we'll go ahead and get out of here, is in the scheduler. So if I had this set to auto launch, there would be no join buttons and these calls would just start automatically. But I'm going to go ahead and start our ops meeting that we have in the morning. And again, you can see I just click one time and I'm in the call. That's it. It's that easy. So I'm going to go ahead and leave that, and we're going to go ahead and close that out. So let's say I wanted to then join a Zoom call. Well, it takes me automatically in, goes full screen. Here I am in Zoom. It works like this for all of the platforms. So if you have any additional questions, please go to our website or contact us, and we'd love to talk to you about how we can enhance your conference room. And if you're a SignalWire customer, we have a room solution now that'll allow you to connect your real room on the ground with your virtual room in the cloud. Thanks for checking out OneTouch and SignalWire integration.